Good day, sir. So I will proceed the you're given a formative assessment week 15. So SOS. First, I will show the distance marks on the SOS. So D, da, D, Alpha to Zulu, then the Alpha to Zulu. Alpha, D dot, Bravo, da, dit, Charlie, Daddy, Delta, dit, Echo, dit, Foxtrot, dit, Golf, dit, Hotel, dit, on India, dit, Juliet, dit, Kilo, dat, Lima, dit, November, dit, Oscar, dit, Papa, dit, Quebec, dat, Romeo, dit, Sierra, dit, Tango, dat, Uniform, dat, Victor, dat, Whiskey, WX, X-ray, dat, Yankee, dat, Zulu, dit. Okay, so that's for now, sir. Thank you and have a nice day, sir. Yes, kita sa ano.